This is Mike with SerPro North Shasta. SerPro, tips on the go. Number one thing, fill your car up with gas. Especially if they give you notice, try to fill up before the power goes out. Typically, if you don't have power, your local gas station won't either. You always want to make sure you disconnect all surge-prone devices, TVs, microwaves, laptops, anything electronic. The last thing you want to do is to prevent fires is to cause a fire. I have shifty eyes, just can't keep. Make sure you fill your freezer full of ice or even dry ice. It actually lasts longer. It is a little harder to find, but it will keep your freezer cool for a lot longer than normal ice. SerPro tips on the go. Don't use candles when you're lighting up your house. It might smell good, but flashlights actually produce more light and they won't burn your house down, which is not great. Oh no, no. Yeah, you can turn your car into a mini generator. You can buy an inverter that plugs into your car charger, and that way you can actually plug in your wall sockets. For instance, a laptop or iPad. Typically, unless you have a really big one, they won't be able to charge anything beyond that. I think that was it. If you need some tips or questions answered, feel free to ask in the comments and we'll get back to you as quick as possible.